Welcome to this spoken tutorial of LibreOffice Impress, Printing a Presentation. In this tutorial, we will learn about the various options for printing: slides, handouts, notes, and outline. Here we are using GNU Linux as our operating system and LibreOffice Suite version 3.3.4. There are times when you would need to print hard copies of your presentation. For example, you may want to give copies of your presentation to your audience for later reference. So first, let us open our presentation Sample Impress. To take prints of your slides, click on File and Print. Alternately, we can press Ctrl and P keys together. To know about the settings under General and Options tabs, please see the tutorial on viewing and printing documents in the LibreOffice Writer series. In the General tab under Print in the Document field, we see various options which are unique to Impress. These options allow us to take prints of our slides in the desired format: slides, handouts, notes, and outline. We will choose the Slides option. Now let's click on LibreOffice Impress tab. Here you can choose the parts of the slide that you want to print, the print colors, and the size. Under Contents, let's select Slide Name, Date and Time, and Hidden Pages. As the text describes, these will print the name of the slide, the date and time, and hidden pages if any. Then under Color, let's select Grayscale. As the text describes, the other options will print the slide in its original color or in black and white. And under Size, let's select Fit to Printable Page. You can explore the other size options in the LibreOffice Impress tab on your own. Depending on the purpose for which you are taking the prints, various options are available in the Page Layout tab. Let's say you want to have a number of slides in the same page of the printout. So select Pages per Sheet. By default, it prints one slide per page. Here is a small preview of the page. Click on the drop-down arrow and choose the number of pages that you want to print per page. If we choose 2, then in the preview we can see 2 pages. If we choose 6, then in the preview we can see 6 pages. Checking Draw a Border around each page option creates a black border around each page while printing. This makes the page look more attractive. The next option, Brochure, allows us to print the slides as brochures for easy binding. However, in this case, we will not choose this option. You can explore this option on your own later. Ensure that all the checkboxes in the Options tab are unchecked. These checkboxes are for special purposes which we will not discuss in this tutorial. Now click on the Print button. If the printer is configured correctly, the printer should start printing now. Next, let's learn about the Handouts option. Click on File and Print, and in the General tab under Print, in the Document field, choose Handout. By default, there are 4 slides per page, and the default order is left to right, then down. Leave these unchanged for this presentation. In the LibreOffice Impress tab, you will find that the size options are disabled. This is because the size of the print is determined by the number of slides in the sheet and size of the sheet. Now click on the Print button. If the printer is configured correctly, the printer should start printing now. Let's go to the first slide and click on the Notes tab. Here we will type in a note. This is a sample note. To print your notes which you typed for your slides, click on File and Print. In the General tab under Print in the Document field, choose the Notes option. Look at the preview page on the left. It shows the note you typed at the bottom of the slide. Now click on the LibreOffice Impress tab. Notice that the size options are not available when we print notes. Now click on the Print button. If the printer is configured correctly, the printer should start printing now. Lastly, to print the outline of the slides for quick reference during a presentation, click on File and Print. In the General tab under Print in the Document field, choose the Outline option. Look at the preview page on the left. It shows the outline or the sequence of your slides with the slide headings and sub-points. Now, click on the LibreOffice Impress tab. Notice once again, the size options are not available when we print outline. Now click on the Print button. If the printer is configured correctly, the printer should start printing now. With this, we conclude this tutorial where we learnt about printing, slides, handouts, notes, and outline. Try this comprehension test assignment. Create a new presentation. Print only the second slide. Print the first 4 slides as a handout. Watch the video available at the following link. It summarizes the spoken tutorial project. If you do not have good bandwidth, you can download and watch it. The Spoken Tutorial Project team conducts workshops using spoken tutorials, gives certificates for those who pass an online test. For more details, please write to contact@spoken-tutorial.org. Spoken Tutorial Project is a part of the Talk to a Teacher project. It is supported by the National Mission on Education through ICT MHRD Government of India. More information on this mission is available at spoken-tutorial.org/nmeict-intro. This tutorial has been contributed by Desi Crew Solutions Private Limited. Thanks for joining.